Hello everyone. Uh, my name is Umesh. Today I am going to explain about QAD concept. Basically, QAD means QAD is a software company that provides enterprise resource planning software and related enterprise software to manufacturing companies. The company has customers in over 100 countries around the world. QAD Enterprise application is designed to streamline the management of manufacturing operations, supply chains, financials, customers, technology, and business performance. QAD Cloud ERP is marketed as software as a service using cloud computing. Here, the main goal of QAD is it is completely focused on global manufacturing companies, and it is QAD is provide enterprise ERP solution for manufacturing. And QAD have over 5,400 customers on over 90 countries around the globe. And what is QAD solution? QAD solution is it is mainly concentrated on select set of vertical markets and manufacturing industries like life sciences, industrial products, high technology, consumer products, food and beverage, and automotive. QAD enterprise applications are: first is manufacturing plant to perform the solution. Here it improves the operational efficiency, balance forecast and order to product capacity, ensure equipment is in top of condition, forecast with partners, customers and sales force. And next is sales code to cash solution. The sales codes describe all the steps involved from initial quote or bid to the customer through fulfillment, invoicing payment. Here it improves day sales outstanding, improve quote order time, automate invoice and payment to eliminate non-value added steps, sales and analysis and legal document. And next is purchasing procure to pay solution. Here what will happen, let's see. Very first, improve the cash flow and reduce the inventory and source strategy, eliminate the non value add process, and it make quality of performance metric. This is what happened in purchasing procure to pay the solution. And in finance, finance is a part of QAD. In QAD Finance, QAD Financial consists of set of financial modules that provides a completely solution for global manufacturing. It supports accounting, transaction and financial management across the organization, and financial analysis and its management reporting, multi-gap and budgeting, credit management and banking management. This is what some features of QAD and what is QAD. At last, QAD conclusion is QAD is provider of flexible cloud-based enterprise resource software and services for global manufacturers. It is one of the best solution for global manufacturers. Use innovative ERP and MRP, supply chain and lean manufacturing solutions to manage your business. This is the best solution in ERP. Using this QAD, we can provide flexible and cloud-based enterprise resource software to the global manufacturers. This is what all about QAD. Thank you. Thank you all.